there was a a big something that went on down here in front of the skate shop, and I'll let you guys know about that tomorrow. It looks like it's a, let's see, can I make this vlog friendly? Someone slept somebody else, and then they slept themselves. So we came up here to the shop. We're gonna grab some lunch probably downtown, me and John, and we don't have any boards, guys. I'm sorry, we don't have any boards. We got some completes. We got like a couple completes right here, and then we got a ton of merch. So if you guys have been looking for the merch, we got a ton of hats in. We're almost out of shirts, but we got a bunch of hats. I'm heading up to Frank's house. I'm gonna shoot this rifle a little bit that Classic Firearms wants to give to me. Dude, I just dropped the Raptor off at the Ford place again because it was doing that same thing where you push on the gas and the oil pressure bottoms out. Turns out they changed the oil back in May, and it has burned through 6 quarts of oil and is bone dry right now since then. What is going on with my Raptor? Anyways, a friend of mine just told me that Dodge is coming out with this new thing to compete with the Raptor, and I'm about to look that up and check it out. Dodge might win me over, man. It's the 3rd time I've took the Raptor into the shop since I got it, and it's brand spanking new. I need to edit some vlogs. Oh my God, what's new? I'm saying I need to edit some vlogs. Right now, September 1st, and I turned 33 in 2 days. How exciting is that? I'm old. Classic Firearms is the best.
Anything for you, buddy.
I just about killed the optic though. He's like, it's not bolted down. I'm like, really? And just like almost dropped the optic on the ground.
It's all right, man.
We did it. We did it.
We do like that sometimes.
Fat round, and it holds what, 15?
14.
14?
Mag, yeah.
It holds 14 300 Win Mags.
Yeah, that's a thick with like 2 Cs. It's not like 50 cal thick with like 3 Cs. It's thick with 2 Cs.
Yeah, it's pretty thick though. Damn, boy! I don't know if I mentioned it already, but you said Nemo makes the only 300 Win Mag AR in the world, and that's what this bad boy is, the Omen.
That's what they're claiming, at least when I was trying to read as much information about it on their website. It's the only semi-auto 300 Win Mag rifle, and it's cool that they just made it in like an AR style, so it looks like it takes regular AR triggers, regular AR grips, regular AR stocks, so anything you wanted to switch out that's aftermarket, you can do.
Sweet. Hi everyone, homeless man here up at a skate shop that only carries blank decks now apparently because COVID makes people not able to manufacture skateboard decks or trucks for some reason. But hey, we have hats. We have hats though. We have hats, and we have Steve from Point Blank Range. Awesome guy here. What's up, buddy? How you doing? Alex here.
Fantastic.
What's going on? EC Custom Gun Shop. I have to like remind myself every time you're wearing the shirt. EC Custom Gun Shop. All right, what's your name? Christian at EC Custom Gun Shop. Please check them out. They make really awesome stuff.
So real quick, we wanted to present you with a holster from Allegiance. It's special because there's something that goes with this.
Yeah, because I don't own a Glock.
Hopefully it should be the right thing.
Oh, what is that? Is that? Oh, what? Oh my God, that thing is sick. It says donut on the side of it.
Yes, sir. Outfitted with CNH Precision Weapon Works, slab plate for your SROs and stuff like that, and your MOS systems, because the stock system is just not strong enough. We got donuts on the front, donut operator, EC, some crazy Cerakote and stippling work from Chris at 3 Golf Gun Works. But yeah, and our new logos and everything updated, along with our new combat slide prototype that we just came out with.
Oh my God. Oh, it's got the 5.0 on the back.
And if you're not running an optic,
oh, that's nasty. Holy crap. Dude.
But yeah, man.
Oh my God.
Absolutely.
Got to get you in the Glock family, bro.
There you go. And that's a Gen 417.
That's light.
Absolutely.
That is so cool. We came up to Ed's. We have Heather. She has a YouTube channel. It's Heat 101. Her and her husband eat a ridiculous amount of Carolina Reapers. You ate 10 for a recent video?
I ate 10.
Jeez. Steve wanted to see a Carolina Reaper, and it's such a mutated little devil baby. Look at it.
Looks
That's
like
the best way to
Hellboy.
describe it. It does. That's exactly what it's going to look like in your stomach when it destroys your insides. You raced your husband, though.
Yes.
Did you beat him?
Yes.
How many did he eat?
7.
7? And you got 10 in a minute?
And
52 seconds. Oh my God. No. I know Steve was like all brave. He's like, let me see that
I was
Reaper.
waved before, yeah. It doesn't look
No.
anything like a jalapeno.
Dude, that thing. These are
Definitely
gnarly. Guys, you ever drive your Corvette with a customized license plate that says Blue Fury and wear fingerless gloves while you're driving your Corvette? Oh no! Oh, you can see it. There we go. Look, gotta wear them fingerless gloves, man. We're in driver, possibly baby driver. Hey guys. A first for me, by the way. I show up to one of my favorite breweries, Slow Play Brewery. We come here all the time because Kaibi Kaibi, that food truck I show on here all the time, is here. And we just ordered Kaibi Kaibi, me and John and Steve. Hello. Steve. And they came up and they're like, hey, you want to share us on social media? And I'm like, yeah. And they said, what do you want? And I said, free beer. And they said, hell yeah, brother. So that's really cool. That's a first. That's a first. People are just like, shout us out. We'll give you your beer. That's rad. Not to mention they got this beautiful little salted, sour, almost margarita in beer form. Steve got the lager.
Yes.
Ginger ale. John got ginger ale. That has too much ginger in it.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Too much ginger in the ginger ale. My guys, you know I gotta do like the foodie vlog shot when I go to Kaibi Kaibi. Cause look at that. Look, just, would you look at it? God, Kaibi Kaibi, you're amazing. Slow Play Brewery, what are you doing there, Steve? Y'all are amazing.
I'm sorry.
John got him a burrito with meat, cheese, and rice. That's all that's on there, bud.
And bread.
He's still disappointed. Over here, Slow Play, they're playing like roller derby from the early 90s. And you got this dude singing, and he looks like a villain from RoboCop. I feel like I'm looking at a fever dream right now. What is this? What's even good? Look at the huge shoulders he has on the suit too, dude.
I have that blazer.
Yeah, like the yellow tiger stripe blazer. What even is this man? He really looks like he killed RoboCop, though. Steve, is that the first White Claw you've ever had in your life, dude?
It is. The tangerine.
Oh my
It's amazing,
God,
dude.
Steve had a White Claw.
I'm so excited right now.
Brandon Herrera is gonna come hang out with us in a couple days.
Okay.
And I got him on White Claws, and then he started putting vodka in White Claws.
Oh.
So we're gonna have a good time.
I'm digging it. All right, Brandon, get ready, buddy.
Up here at the skate shop, Kim, in our 4,000 blank decks. I just wanted to say, Mr. Matthew Tiny Peen, thank you for your order. Hi everyone, it's your boy, Donut Birthday Raider here. I turned 33 today. God dang, I'm old. I think we're just chilling today, man. I don't know, I don't have any plans. I think we're just gonna hang out with Chocolate a little bit, hang out with the John boy here. I don't know, make some glizzies, we'll find something to do. I just didn't really make any plans, and then at the last second I was like, let's go to the beach. But guess what? It's Labor Day weekend, and there is no hotel, not one room, no Airbnbs, nothing to stay in near the beach. My chocolate man came up here. What's up, dude?
What's going on, bro?
He brought me the most amazing birthday presents. He got me the Cameron Hanes clicky shoes, the clicky shoes. They say keep hammering on them. It's Cameron Hanes special Under Armour shoe that he came out with. And what's cool about these is they don't have shoelaces. They have one of these guys that tightens it down. How neat is that? And also, my first pair of Jordans I've ever had from the Chocolate Man.
You official now, bro.
I'm official now. I got my first pair of Jordans. This is awesome. Thank you so much, man. Oh yeah. So sweet. Dude, what a good birthday. John swooping in with 8 million packs of sunflower seeds. Y'all know that's my thing. Having glizzies with Chocolate Operator. Chocolate got me them shoes, my first pair of Jordans. What? Jones is here. Squirt's here and he wants to go outside, but I'm trying to make him an indoor cat again, so I'm not letting him outside. Yesterday was my birthday. Feeling a little rough this morning. I'm up here at the shop though. Batty, look, Batty just got here, so we got that here. Brandon Herrera's coming up. Kim's over there doing Kim stuff, whatever she does. I don't know. She's painting me a Berserk picture though, so that's rad. Or is it for a friend of mine who loves Berserk? You'll never know. We're just hanging out, man. Batty, I'm gonna go show Batty the brewery here in a second, and he's gonna try that strawberry sour that I love oh so much. Tonight we're gonna go eat some Korean barbecue in downtown Charlotte. It's a good day. It's a really good day. Tomorrow we're going to Frank's and we're gonna shoot some guns and just like hang out at Frank's pool. What a good weekend. Yo, big thanks to Carson and Ashton. They said, Donut, happy birthday from your Biggest fans, Carson and Ashton. Hey, they got me donuts. I'm sorry, I don't eat donuts, but it's really cool. Kim ate 10 of them.
Donuts?
No, I don't eat sweets.
Who are you?
I don't know.
Who is this guy?
Tyler, stop. Tyler, you're gonna be in the vlog now. What do you think about that? Got John, got my new friend Tyler. They're playing, they're not mowing down civilians.